வணக்கம். ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் உங்கள் ஹோஸ்ட் நைனா. நல்லா இருக்கியா? Hey, don't worry. Today I'm not using any other language. Typically Indian language, but today I'm only use English, and you all know I want to give you some information about my going to Chennai. So I'm telling you one big surprise is there, that I'm going to Chennai for meeting my co-YouTuber, and then we will discuss there about our channel, about our TRP, our cameras, which cameras they are using, and tripod, and voiceover, and then the video maker videos, and some more discussion there category about because generally the YouTube ask us the category about our channel, so we will discuss about that category, and many more things will happen in Chennai, and very soon I'm going there. So my co-YouTubers and we discuss what we carrying with us. So today I'm telling you that I'm carrying with some beauty products. That is more important for us. We are the YouTubers, so the audience, they are following us. So that's why I want to show you some products which I'm going to use in that meeting with my co-YouTuber, and just let's see. So firstly, the Maxo, this is Maxo mosquito death machine, because I have allergy about that mosquito bite. That's why I'm taking this. Then I will start from my face. Okay, so I always use this BioCare product, and this is a lemon gel, and this is a BioCare Revolting lemon peel extract, and especially the London and England. Yes, are you able to see the England? So England product, and I like this. I got a nice result, and that's why I'm using this. This is only for the massage when you are going to sleep or morning before the bath. Okay, this I'm carrying with my makeup box. Then the another thing is that the Dove soap. This soap also I most like. I got nice result. That's why I'm using this Dove soap also. Then nail paints. So many nail paints, but let me before. I'm wearing this sari, this Indian costume I'm using there. This sari I'm wearing in that program. That's why I'm taking this nail paints. Okay, and this sari is given my sister, younger sister. I'm using this to show her this sari I'm going to use in that program, and she has gifted me in this Indian festival, Diwali, and this nail paints, that is the match to there. Generally I most like the green color, but she has gifted me, so that's why I'm using this nail paints, because I'm most crazy about the matchings, and these nail paints I'm going to use. Then after the lactocalamine, this lactocalamine I'm going to use. Hey, before I'm telling you, those who watch my previous videos now, so in that video I showed this product. So this is the lactocalamine, and this is the combination to normal skin and oil balance. It keep oil, because Chennai's weather is different from this weather, so according to that weather I have to purge this, and generally I'm using the another product of the lactocalamine only, but this is oil balance, because sea is there na, coastal area. That's why I'm using this oil balance. Then this is hair oil. This is also very nice Indian product, so I'm using this oil for my hair. and this the thinner, because only that function time I am using to wear the sari. Generally I am wearing the different types of dress, so I need thinner to remove my nail polish, because just now I told you that I am very crazy about the that matching. That's why this, then this clean and clear. Previous video I showed you na, so I never change my products. I want only that and that only. So before 2-3 days I went in the market now, so I got everything according to my choice, but I miss I was not got that my perfume, rose perfume. In previous Diwali shopping video I showed you that perfume, rose perfume, but now this day I have not got this, but I will search in Tamil Nadu, in Chennai, because the T Nagar, that is the very nice market in the Chennai, so I will see there. Okay, then hey Aleti, this is a lipstick and this is matching to that sari. Okay, one more another lipstick I have, but I think that color is not suit. Yes, this is the number is I think M204, red carpet. Red carpet, that is not match, and this is the number is that R01, R01 LAT. Okay, number is carrying most important. Okay, then also I have the lip care, that Naughty Blue Heavens. What happened that day, hurriedly with my sister-in-law I went in the market now, so hurriedly I purchased this, so that moment I won't get time to choice, but when I purchase I use this now, so I got nice result, thanks Blue Heaven, and then I use and I got nice result. And before, let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video. Yes, I am again telling to you, this is not a sponsored video by any other product company, only I am using that products. That's why I am telling to you, because so many audience and viewers, they are watching our videos and they are following us, our products. So many viewers ask me about my products in my another languages channels, so that's why I am showing you. And this is Vaseline, general the Vaseline I'm using. It is casual, but result is very nice. Which products are best now, only that I am carrying with me. Okay, though I am not caring about their price and their value, but what I got the result, so that's why, because result is more important. And the Dazzler. Okay, the Dazzler, it is also a nice company, and in Chennai products also, Puducherry and the Puducherry, the official office, it is manufactured the Puducherry, and Chennai, Arvind Laboratories. But I thanks Arvind Laboratories, because this aroma is very nice, and I feel because oh my god, because when we are in front of the camera na, so we don't know when the camera will shut, so it will take a long time also, short time also, but if it will take the long time now, so the Dazzler keeps me very fresh, and always I am getting nice result, very fresh, when I am using to go in my profession. So that time also I am getting nice and very nice results. That's why I am using this Dazzler. Thanks Dazzler. And Chennai products is also. Okay, one more perfume this I have, but I will use this when I will go in the coastal area, that moment, and when I am on shooting time on the set, I am using this Dazzler product. After all, it is Chennai, so Chennai products side. And last not so many products are remain here. So Super X Bond, this is a perfume I am carrying with me. Nice result is this. Okay, this definitely, I don't know the companies of this product, but a nice result. Then this is the Indian married woman symbol we are putting here. See this, today I put this. So this is the symbol that I am married. I'm not a single. That I have spouse. That's why I'm always carrying this. And when any girl in India marrying, so without this she is not keeping her forehead. So that's why this is not optional. This is compulsory. So I am carrying this. Okay. And the most the Winsor scissor is there, the Florazone. The Florazone, this is also product I purchased. I got two because somebody has given me this. I'm a YouTuber, so many people are watching my face, that's why somebody gives me this. And these products also very nice. Florazone moisturizer lotion, and I'm keeping this enriched with the vitamin E moisturizer softer skin. And this is the 500 ml bottle, so it is sufficient for me for the 2-3 days, more sufficient. Okay, so I use this. Okay, one another thing, my sister, she has given me the Indian Upton Indian face pack. I don't want to tell the company's name because yet I have not applied on my skin. That's why I'm not announcing the name of this product. When I will use, I will get the result. That moment I will announce the product's name. So till that, it will keep the suspense. Next video I will announce the name of these products. But definitely she has given me, means it is very good, and that's why she has given me this. And I will put on my face this face wash after this daily. So after applying this face wash, I am using this this face pack. Okay, so in this way I'm carrying all these things. And we will see the sari she has given me, my sister, and this is her choice. I have lots of saris. This is her choice, and she has given me this. Nice. Thanks, sister. She's my real sister, right? This is good. I will wear this. Very soft and nice. The peacocks are there. I'm showing this peacock, and the small border is there. This is the opposite. This purple color. This is pink. This is royal pink, and this golden and this purple. I will wear this. Nice. I like this. I purchased the set. I will wear the gold also, necklace and the earrings. I like earrings and necklace only. And the ring, if I will not put the mehendi on my hand, that moment I will only wear this. So viewers, thanks for watching this. But now the suspense is not over. Now the another part of this video will start.